Hello again, everyone. It's Vince from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for April 21st, 2019. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off on Friday. We did see U.S. equities post gains, although it was surprising that they didn't move a little more than they did, considering the fact that we had stronger than expected Chinese economic data. And with all the concerns about slowing economic growth out there, you'd think that would give stocks a boost. Well, they barely closed in positive territory. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 110 points. The S&P 500 managed to gain 4.5 points, while the Nasdaq was higher by just 2 points on Friday. And the Russell 2000 actually gave back 2 points. The bond market did show some strength. The yield on the 10-year note is now sitting at 2.564%. Crude oil managed to gain 24 cents, this on a drop in U.S. crude stockpiles. And gold managed to gain $1.10, which was surprising also because the U.S. dollar had a really strong rally on Friday. That looks poised to see new highs very soon. Now, there was more news late last week, and it was with Pier 1 Imports earnings announcement. They came in, and let me show you here. Let me just hover over it. There you go. The estimate was for about a 19-cent gain, while they came in with a loss of 85 cents. Now, this stock has really been on a roller coaster ride. Let me go to the monthly chart, and you can see back in here, hitting a high back in November, December of 03. At 26.44, but before dropping all the way to 10 cents and then recovering all the way back to about 25.5, and now is right back down to 48 cents and looking like it'll retest that 10-cent mark. And this gets interesting. Pay attention to the volume here. Back when it back when it had the significant drop, and now again we're seeing increased volume. Can we see another bounce from here? Well, the company announced more store closures, as well as the fact that they're cutting over $100 million in expenses to try to save the company. Pier 1 Imports was worth about $2 billion back in 2014 here when we were back near the highs. It's now worth $55 million. So can it be saved? Only time will tell. But from a charting perspective, what you want to look for is some sort of reversal signal. We don't see it yet here on any time frame, but as it gets closer to that 10-cent mark, keep an eye on the volume. Heavier volume could be a heads up to something coming, but more importantly, you do want to see some kind of reversal pattern. And the basic thing to look for is a higher low and a higher high. And we're not there just yet, but a lot of times on a stock like this, especially at that price point, can be worth a bet, at that level for a nice recovery. We've seen it recently in GE, and Pier 1 certainly does not look like it's showing any signs of reversal here just yet, and looks highly likely to retest these lows. But from there, keep an eye on it. It may present an opportunity coming forward. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.